Good afternoon. It's a pleasure for me to be here. I want to thank you all for attending this presentation about the application of mesenchymal stem cell. I'm the presenter Fei-Ting Hsu, an associate professor in China Medical University that represent our group to share our work. Dr. Hsu and Zheng are leader of our MNC project. The topic that we want to share today is precision medicine of umbilical cord mesenchymal stem cell. We will share with the latest progress of our MSC product on COVID-19, acute myocardial infarction, stroke, and also cancers. First of all, I would like to introduce the characteristic of our UMSC product. MSC has multiple resources. Nevertheless, to identify the suitable, painless, simple, and safety isolation procedure and the source of MSC could be important for long-term application. Umbilical cord water-derived MSC possess shorter doubling time, broader pluripotency, superior anti-inflammation, and greater immune modulatory property than other kinds of UMSC. Moreover, UMSC hold distinct immunosuppressive capacity, enabling them to evade host rejection and making them as an excellent candidate for cell therapy. For long-term application, the isolation technique of UMSC is relatively easy and with lower moral controversy. The MSC we use, so-called IGF-1R positive UMSC, which has successfully identified a unique receipt of culture medium that can effectively proliferate and enrich MSC with IGF-1R expression. This population of MSC has following characteristics, including high self-removal capacity, proliferation ability, and differentiation ability. The patent of the isolation and purification of this IGF-1R positive UMSC has been issued by USA, Japan, Europe, China, and Taiwan. Following is the development pipeline of our MSC product. Currently, in our company, we have two major development directions of MSC product. The first part is non-engineering MSC. In this topic, we apply UMSC therapy on COVID-19, acute myocardial infarction, stroke, and multiple sclerosis. For the more detail, I will introduce in the following slides. And the second part is engineering MSC. In this topic, we prepare different kinds of genetic engineering on MSC and apply for cancer treatment. For this part of work, the patent of our engineered MSC has been issued by USA and Taiwan, and our preclinical work show promising results on reducing non-small cell lung cancer progression. We are also planning for phase 1 trial in the near future. Our facility owns a well-established PICS GMP grade of lab to produce MSC that can be applied on clinical trial. We establish strict quality control system while producing our UMSC product. We manufacture our UMSC as a cell product as following steps, including non-engineering and engineering. All the cells before storage and preparing for use have all passed through the CMC testing criteria. The viability, sterility, endotoxin, grandstand, and gene expression will be validated before it has been used as a product. Due to the serious effect of COVID-19 since 2020, our group also raised an application project of UMSC on COVID-19 patients. COVID-19 disease caused by infection with SARS-CoV-2 is related to a serious physiopathological mechanism that mobilizes a wide variety of biomolecules, mainly immunological in nature. In the most severe case, the prognosis can be markedly worsened by hyperproduction of mainly pro-inflammatory cytokines such as IL-1, 6, 12, interferon gamma, TNF-alpha, preferentially target lung tissue. Consequently, after COVID-19 infection, this virus may induce a serious cytokine storm to affect the immune system of hosts. As compared to various treatments, MSC shows superior antivirus, anti-inflammation, anti-cytokine release syndrome, and tissue regeneration potential. We propose that UMSC can be used as a cell therapy that has immune regulation capacity to alleviate the cytokine release syndrome and also achieve tissue repair effect on COVID-19 patients. We currently got approval from FDA and TFDA to execute phase 1/2A trial of MSC on COVID-19 patients. Recently, there are several MSC trials on COVID-19. Majority cell products are bone marrow and adipocyte-derived mesenchymal stem cell. This slide showing the latest result of our phase 1/2A trial on COVID-19 patients. Currently, we collect 8 patients. In our result, we're showing that the trend and the average value of whole site index of lung function was increased after UMSC treatment. In addition, the inflammation-related cytokine was all decreased after UMSC therapy. All MSC show potential to recover lung function and reduce inflammation condition of patients. Not only COVID-19, our group has successfully applied our MSC product on acute myocardial infarction and stroke. Here I will show you some promising results of our MSC product. Acute myocardial infarction, also known as a heart attack, is a life-threatening condition that occurs when blood flow to the heart muscle is abruptly cut off, causing tissue damage. An AMI result is irreversible damage to the heart muscle due to the lack of oxygen. Various studies indicated that MSC has potential to perform tissue regeneration. Here, our group applied UMSC on AMI. We use both intracoronary and intravenous injection route. Based on this injection route, as you can see, we can reduce the trapping effect of MSC in lung organ. In addition, in animal AMI results showing that our UMSC treatment have successfully decreased the infarct size and increased the wall thickness of the mice heart. Not only preclinical study, our AMI project also approved by FDA and TFDA, and currently we have successfully finished with phase 1 trial. Here is the brief summary of AMI patient result in our phase 1 trial. Here we collect 7 AMI patients. As indicated in this table, the left ventricular ejection fraction validated by cardiovascular magnetic resonance imaging was increased after UMSC therapy. This slide showing that here we keep following the left ventricular ejection fraction, stroke volume, or motion of this patient for 1 year. The average level of this validation score will all increase after therapy. All of these evaluation results showing that the therapeutic efficacy of UMSC on AMI is successful. Currently, we're also preparing to submit further document of this project in order to perform phase 2 trial. Based on our tissue repair function of our UMSC, we then also apply UMSC on stroke preclinical model. Same as AMI, we use both IC and IV injection route to deliver MSC. The superior therapeutic efficacy was found in this combination delivery method. This study was also published in Advanced Material. For clinical trial progress of this project, we has also been approved from FDA and TFDA for phase 1 trial. Currently, we have started recruiting stroke patients since 2020, and we use an NIH stroke scale to identify the treatment efficacy of our subject. For each item, a score of 0 typically indicates normal function in that specific ability, while a scale score is indicated of some level of impairment. Our 3 case results showing that the decreased NIH stroke scale by time after UMSC treatment. For this part of work, we keep recruiting more subjects. Hopefully, we will have a successful result of UMSC treatment on stroke patients. Here I summarize the development strategy of our MSC product. Our non-engineered MSC was used to apply on tissue regeneration such as COVID-19, AMI, stroke, multiple sclerosis. Most of these projects are issued with patent and working on clinical trial. For engineering MSC, currently we have been issued by several patents, and we are preparing for further GLP and ADME tests. We plan to perform first in human trial of engineering MSC in 2023. In sum, our company are aimed to identify the potential treatment target of UMSC product. We hope that our product can rescue damaged tissue that caused by various diseases and diminish cancer in near future. And finally, I would like to thank for your attention.